Hi everyone, this is Albena from Bulgarian Mama is Cooking, and in today's video I will show you how to fill your tart shells that I made in my last video, and I will link to that video here and in description, so if you're interested, check it out. And as I love saying, put on those aprons, go in the kitchen, and let's get started. So today we are making chocolate cream cheese filling that is super easy and it won't take you longer than 10 minutes to put together. So I'm gonna start by whisking up some very cold heavy whipping cream. You can skip the step or do that later. And then in this medium mixing bowl, I'm gonna add my room temperature mascarpone cheese. I'm grabbing my hand mixer because I like using hand mixer better when I work with cream cheese, and I'm gonna start whisking until it gets to this fluffy, airy consistency. Now make sure that your cream cheese, whether it's mascarpone or not, is room temperature because it's easier to work with. So for this recipe I'm using dark chocolate, and I have melted my chocolate in the microwave for a few intervals of 15 seconds each. However, if you prefer to do that over a pot of boiling water, then go for it. And as soon as my chocolate is melted, I'm gonna combine it with the mascarpone cheese, and because I'm using dark chocolate, I'm gonna add a little tiny bit of maple syrup. However, if you're gonna use semi-sweet chocolate or milk chocolate for this recipe, then consider skipping this step because the mascarpone already has a little sweet taste to it, so you don't want to overdo it. I'm also adding a little tiny bit of a vanilla flavor. It's gonna give this freshness to my filling, and then I'm gonna use my hand mixer to combine it all and reach one color consistency. Now I prefer to use my hand mixer when I work with cream cheese. It's easier to control and it's just more convenient. However, if you end up using your stand mixer, then grab a spatula and make sure that you're scraping the sides of the bowl. Now look at this, it looks like Nutella spread to me, and as soon as you get to that consistency, go ahead and add your whipping cream. If you want to skip some calories and you want to stop here, you can. You don't have to add the heavy whipping cream. It's just going to be super delicious without it also. But when you add the heavy whipping cream, you're going to get this puffness to the filling. It's just going to be so airy, and I personally like it better. However, it can definitely work without it. Now look at this puffy finished tart shell filling. Now let's go ahead and fill those tart shells. So personally, to me, the most convenient way to fill your tart shells is using a piping bag. However, not everybody has a piping bag, and if you don't have one but you have Ziploc baggies, because I believe that most of us have Ziploc baggies in our kitchens, then grab a Ziploc baggie, put the filling in there, just cut one of the edges, and it's gonna work as good as a piping bag. However, if you are out and don't have any Ziploc baggies, then go ahead and use a spoon. Now if you end up using the heavy whipping cream, grab a different tip and try to make those flowers. They're really easy to make because piping bags have those tips. So make those little flowers, and I also like to sprinkle with some chocolate sprinkles. And we are coming to the end of my video. That was it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching and supporting Bulgarian Mama is Cooking. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. This really helps my channel grow. Also, if you have not yet but you want to see more videos, then go ahead, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget the bell so that YouTube sends you notifications every time when I upload a new video. And I, Bulgarian Mama is Cooking, will talk to you very, very soon. Bye for now.